On a bright Saturday morning, 8-year-old Ollie woke up earlier than usual. He looked out of his bedroom window and smiled at the sunny sky. Today is going to be a wonderful day, he said happily. Ollie quickly got dressed and ran downstairs. His mother was making breakfast, and his father was reading the newspaper. Good morning, Ollie said with excitement. Good morning, his parents replied with warm smiles. After breakfast, Ollie's father said, "We have a surprise for you. Get ready. We're going somewhere special." Ollie's eyes grew wide. Really? Where are we going? It's a surprise, his mother laughed. Soon, the family drove to a nearby animal shelter. As they entered, Ollie heard happy barking all around him. There were dogs of every size and color. A friendly worker welcomed them. "Hello. Looking for a new family member?" Ollie's father nodded. "Yes. We'd like to adopt a puppy." Ollie couldn't believe it. A puppy? For us? His parents smiled. "You've been asking for a long time," his mother said. "We think you're ready for the responsibility." Ollie was so excited that he nearly jumped with joy. The shelter worker showed them several puppies. Some were sleeping, some were playing, and others were wagging their tails. One small golden puppy quietly walked toward Ollie and gently licked his hand. Ollie laughed. "I think he likes you." The puppy wagged his tiny tail even faster. "I like him too," Ollie said softly. His father smiled. "Then I think we've found our new friend." After filling out the adoption papers, the family carefully brought the puppy home. "What should we name him?" Ollie asked. Everyone started suggesting names. "Buddy," said mother. "Rocky," suggested father. Ollie thought for a moment. "I'll call him Lucky, because we're lucky to have found each other." Everyone agreed. "Welcome home, Lucky." Lucky quickly explored every corner of the house. He sniffed the sofa, looked under the table, and even chased his own tail until everyone laughed. Ollie filled Lucky's water bowl and placed soft food in his dish. The little puppy happily ate his meal. That evening, Ollie carefully brushed Lucky's soft fur. "You really are part of our family now," he whispered. The next morning, Ollie woke up to tiny barking sounds. Woof, woof. Lucky wanted to play. Ollie took him outside into the garden. They played fetch with a small ball. Lucky didn't always bring the ball back. Sometimes he ran away with it, making Ollie laugh even harder. Every day, Ollie learned something new about caring for a puppy. He learned to feed Lucky on time. He learned to give him clean water. He learned to take him for walks. He learned that puppies need patience and love. One afternoon, Ollie forgot to close the garden gate. Lucky saw a butterfly and happily chased it right out of the yard. Lucky! Ollie shouted. The puppy kept running. Ollie became worried. He searched every street nearby. His parents joined the search. Neighbors also helped. Ollie felt tears filling his eyes. I should have been more careful, he said. Sadly, after nearly an hour, they heard gentle barking near a small park. There he is. Lucky was sitting beside a kind old man. The man smiled. I think this little fellow belongs to you. Ollie hugged Lucky tightly. I'm so glad you're safe. When they returned home, Ollie closed the gate carefully. I've learned an important lesson, he said. A pet depends on us for safety. His father nodded proudly. That's exactly right. As the weeks passed, Lucky grew bigger and stronger. He learned simple commands like sit, stay, and come. Whenever Ollie returned from school, Lucky waited at the door, wagging his tail with excitement. The two became best friends. One rainy afternoon, Ollie wasn't feeling well. He stayed in bed with a fever. Lucky quietly lay beside him all day. He didn't bark or play loudly. He simply stayed close. Ollie gently stroked Lucky's head. Thank you for keeping me company. His mother smiled. Animals have a special way of showing love. Soon Ollie recovered. One weekend, the family visited the park together. Lucky happily played with other dogs while Ollie made new friends. Everyone admired Lucky's shiny coat and friendly behavior. You've trained him very well, one neighbor said. Ollie smiled proudly.